Welcome to yet another fun Ashanti Twi lesson. So, you know the season, it's Valentine's season. It's all about love. Love is in the air. You can show your love to your parents, your teachers, and if you're an adult watching, can show your love to your spouse. So today we're going to learn one of the best words in the world. And it's as simple as you saying, I love you. I love you. I love you all for listening. And you know how to say it in Twi? It's just 3 words, so it's very easy to learn. Me dowo. I love you. Me dowo. I love you. Me is I. Do is love. Wo is you. Me dowo. I love you. Me dowo for always watching fun Ashanti Twi and practicing. Okay? So say me dowo. Mommy me dowo. Daddy me dowo. You can replace me with whoever you want to say you love. Mrs. Roberts me dowo. Mrs. Addison me dowo. Mrs. Lamptey me dowo. Daddy me dowo. Mommy me dowo. Okay? Me dowo. Me dowo. I love you. Me dowo. Me dowo. All right, this is so simple. So practice as always. And let me know how your parents act when you tell them in Twi, I love you, mommy. Me dowo, mommy. Me dowo, daddy. Bye. Take care. Love you all. Me domo. Bye.